Hi, my name is Kyle DeBell, and I will be presenting a short tutorial on how to use LibGuides. This tutorial is for any librarian wanting to learn the basics of LibGuides to create a simple but effective library webpage. Let's get started. LibGuides is a content management system that gives librarians the opportunity to create websites that make access to library resources easy. With LibGuides, librarians can add books, links to external sources, YouTube videos, subject guides lists, and much more. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a LibGuides page, how to add different types of boxes, how to add user polls, how to add external links, and finally, how to add another page to your existing LibGuides page. This is what North Georgia Technical College's LibGuides page looks like. To use LibGuides, you will need to log into LibGuides through either the admin sign-in link or the Login to LibApps link. The login format will vary depending on the institution that is hosting LibGuides. Once you are logged in, click the dashboard link at the top of the page. Now, click the Create New Guide link toward the bottom of the page. You will then be asked whether you want to start fresh or use a template from an existing guide. Choose the Start Fresh option, and after adding the title History, click the Create Guide button below. Once you have created a new page, you should see several Add New Box links on your page. Click the one to the left of your new LibGuides. When creating a new box, click the Select the Content Box Type drop-down menu and hover over the Multimedia Boxes tab. Another drop-down menu will appear, and you will want to click on the Books from the Catalog link. Once this is selected, you will then be prompted to give a title to the box. We will call our box Featured Books. Once created, we will click the Add New Book link. You will then be prompted to add the book title, author/editor, publication date, call number, and URL for the book. However, you can bypass all of this by typing in the ISBN number of the book. You can get the ISBN number from your library's catalog. The book we will use will be A. Lincoln by Ronald C. White. I will now enter the ISBN number into the field and click the Get Book Info button below. Voila! All the book's information will be added into their respective fields, including the book's cover. You can now click the Save Book Info button. Next, we will add links to history resources on the internet. After we add a new box, choose the Links and Lists option from the Link Boxes drop-down menu. Once selected, we will title the box History Links. Once the box is created, we can then add the link. We will title the link US History, and we will use the link to ushistory.org. For our purposes today, we will forego having to add descriptions and more information. Hit the Create Link button, and you will now have a link in a list format without the messiness of a basic URL. After selecting the new box, we will then select the Multimedia box again. This time, we want to select Embedded Media in Widgets. Once the box is created, select the Add Media Widget Code link. A menu will pop up that will give you two options. You can either search for media that is already established within the guide, or you can embed the code to your media in the box below. Today we will choose the second option. For our purposes, we will embed the video Abraham Lincoln Mini Biography. To embed a video from YouTube, go to YouTube and click the Share button, which will then give you the option of embedding the link to the video on your LibGuides page. Next, we will create a user poll. Having user polls on your LibGuides page allow your visitors to give quick and easy feedback. To create a user poll, we will select the user input boxes and then select the interactive poll link. Once selected, name the box User Poll. Once you create the box, edit the text in the box and type what features do you use most often on the library website. Now click the Edit Poll link and add the choices of databases, library catalog, writer's resources, style guide, tutorials, citation guides, etc., and general information, hours, contact info, off-campus access. Your user poll should look like this when finished. Now that we have several boxes to get us started, let's try adding a new page. To add a new page, click the Add/Edit Pages drop-down menu at the top and click the first link, Add/Reuse. If you decide to reuse a page, click the Reuse Existing Page tab next to the Create New Page tab. You will then be prompted to choose which LibGuide you want to use in which page from the LibGuide. I would keep your position as Add as a top-level page. Makes it easier to navigate between tabs. Once you have your options selected, you can then click Reuse Page. But if you want to forget about all of that, you can go ahead and create a new page. Give your new page a name, a description if you wish, and like I was saying before, I would keep the position as Add as a top-level page. You can add a URL, but if you do not, the URL will be generated automatically. And you can just click Save, and you will have a new page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making your LibGuides page.